block shown here in orthographic projection. We are to convert it to isometric projection. So to do that, this details here is given in first angle projection. We have the front elevation and the plan beneath. So now let's draw. First step is to draw your plane of projection. Then after drawing that, you take your set square, that's 30 by 60 degrees set square. You place it on your plane of projection. You locate a point which is going to be our lowest point, point A. From the details, we have point A here. So we dot a particular point on the plane of projection and we label it as point A. Point A. Then from that point A, we draw a line and the other side too. So you measure, you dimension it here from the plan here to here, which is the same thing as here to here, is 72 millimeter, which is 7.2 centimeter. That's 72, and here is 14. So from there, we project upward. Now the first thing to do is to draw a box in which everything will contain. And the height of it, this is 40. So you draw 40 around everything. Then next to do is to get another line upward here. Alright, once you are done having a box like this, then the next thing to do is, now this is plan. When you look from the top is plan. When you look from a side is front. What next to fix is the height. And now most times your height is gotten from, you know, the height of the object through your front elevation. Now from here to here is 14 millimeter, and from here to here is 40. So that means we are going to leave this line, maintain this line, this 40. So we mark 1.4 here. That's 1.4. Then after doing that, you can see, and there's a line here. So that means for the height, this, then you draw the horizontal length. Now top edge, we are going to see this the top edge. So 1.4, measure 1.4 here. Yeah. So I'm not going to draw drop this one. Okay. Of the front elevation. So let's start fixing this part, which is on this part, and even on the plan too. We fix this side of the plan. So where we are fixing now is this one at the center of the plan, and there is also here on the front elevation. So now, and as we can see, this object is erected on the at the center of the plan. So what we'll do is we'll take the center from here to here is 14, while this object is 18. The width of it is 18. What we're going to do is subtract 18 from 40. We'll have 22. So now divide the 22 by 2. We have 1.1. That means 11. That's 11 millimeter. So because I'm using a centimeter ruler, so it becomes 1.1. So what I'll just do is now, as you can see, at this point, this the first line, the second line, on the second line, this is the first one, and this second one. This second one beneath it, the lower one, the top, the bottom of it, the center of the bottom. That is where this object is attached to. So I'm measuring 1.1 from this corner to this part here, and also 1.1 down to this place. Then the center of it is where I'm now going to draw this length, which is 40. From here to here is 40. So I'm doing that now. This from the drawing, you can see that there's no line at this point here. So we have to clean out some lines already because you are already at the final drawing. Now from this front elevation, where we can see these are the only lines we can see, which is already showing. We will soon start seeing it now. When this one is erected, when this is erected, we'll be able to see it, and we are going to be seeing only one line of it, only one line of it. Then this side, this line here, I mean this one, this part here, we're going to be seeing, which is this one. Then we are going to be seeing a little part of it here at this point. So this lines is not going to be seen because we only have this line. I can see this one, then the one that will be produced from this. So all these ones can be cleaned off at this point so that our work will not be too rough. So clean this line. All I need to do is the re-outlines. I will draw them, and so you don't drag your ruler, just lift them so that you can have a clean and neat one. Okay, so we are building this one up. This is going to be 20. As this one is being erased, projected upward, some lines should be clean off. So I'll take my measurements from this bottom here. Okay, almost there. Yeah. So this part is not going to be showing, and also this line too, because this is a surface. You can't see through this surface. It's a solid surface. So you won't be able to, and it's not transparent. It's a block, so you won't be able to be seeing the other part there. So as it cuts this line, clean it off. I said, okay, I'm doing the other part. I'm going to raise it up, put at that point. Okay, good, good. Even this line is a solid surface, so you won't be seeing the edge of what is at the corner. This part too. So you now mark the outline again, redraw the outlines to show the real object. Okay, this is the end product of the drawing of this plan. That's all. Please subscribe, share,